Louisiana House lawmakers set to vote on a bill as early as today to ban abortions once a fetal heartbeat's detected. Republican State Senator Ryan Gaddy supports it.
We should look at when the heart starts beating to determine when life starts.
The bill doesn't outline exceptions for victims of rape or incest. It would only take effect in Louisiana should it be implemented in other states following legal challenges. The Democratic Governor John Bel Edwards has said he would sign the bill. Last week, Missouri's Republican governor signed a law making abortions illegal after 8 weeks of pregnancy, and Planned Parenthood is suing the state of Missouri to keep the only abortion clinic in the state from closing when its license expires on Friday.